Most Filipinos in most likelihood do not know that a full 50% of all vertebrate species in our country are totally endemic. That is, they cannot be found anywhere else. This is because the Philippines forms its own biogeographic province. A biogeographic province is a region on Earth marked by its own distinct set of plants and animals, shaped over time by geographical isolation. These regions form when deep natural barriers prevent species from crossing over, even during periods like the Ice Age when sea levels dropped and land bridges emerged elsewhere. In our case, the Philippines has been isolated by some of the deepest oceanic features in Southeast Asia. The Philippine Trench east of Luzon and Mindoro, reaching over 10,000 meters, is one of the deepest on Earth. The Sulu Trench, lying southwest of Palawan, ranges between 5,000 and 6,000 meters deep. The Mindoro Strait, which separates Batangas from Mindoro, and the Balabac Strait, which divides Palawan from Borneo, are both around 50 to 200 meters deep. These straits remained submerged even during the Ice Age, when sea levels fell by about 120 meters. Because of that, land animals could not cross into or out of the islands, and the species here began to evolve independently. Over time, the result was an explosion of species found nowhere else. The Philippine eagle, the largest and one of the rarest raptors in the world, exists only in a few forested parts of Luzon, Leyte, Samar, and Mindanao. The tamaral, a small wild buffalo, lives only in the mountains of Mindoro. The Philippine crocodile, which is one of the most endangered in the world, can be found in isolated freshwater habitats. There are also tiny frogs that live only on Camiguin Island, wild pigs that live only in Palawan, and countless birds, reptiles, and mammals that occur only in a single island or mountain range. In total, scientists estimate that about 618 of our 1,238 known terrestrial vertebrate species are endemic. That's roughly 50%. Among amphibians, the number is even higher, around 85%. For reptiles, it's over 60%, and for mammals, about 53%. These figures are based on up-to-date data from recent biodiversity surveys and conservation groups, such as the Biodiversity Management Bureau and international peer-reviewed studies. Globally, only a handful of biogeographic provinces can compare. Madagascar is one. The Galapagos is another. But the Philippines is unique in being both so diverse and so fragmented. Each island, each mountain, often holds a distinct population of species that exist nowhere else, not even on the next island just a few kilometers away. This natural history makes our archipelago one of the most irreplaceable biological regions on Earth. Our biodiversity was shaped by deep-sea trenches and tectonic shifts. It was protected by isolation and adds to the uniqueness of these beautiful islands of ours. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this topic fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the amazing world of nature. See you in the next video.